Hey peeps, this is Creedmoor with the Bullish Bears. Today we wanted to go over what and who ProTradingRoom is. They're the group we have been using and working with closely to bring the Bullish Bears community the best trading experience you can find on the market. Let's get into what ProTradingRoom is. The ProTradingRoom is a web-based trading room for professional traders. It is cloud-based and runs straight off of the browsers. Rooms are encrypted and secure, so everything that we talk about in the rooms, guys, you can be assured is secure. Your communication is locked down. They offer a great experience with both chatting and alert systems, which we have been using immensely in the trading rooms for the last few weeks. Really good stuff. They support a large amount of active users during the day, which is great because as our community grows, we know we're not going to have to worry with a lot of bugs and anything of that nature. It will allow you to upload data and shared content into the room drive. So all of the members, you're able to hop in there and download anything that we put up. It's very handy for both us as moderators and you guys as participants to give you the best trading experience and really guide you on your journey to becoming a trader. Before getting into the Pro Trading Room experience, the Bullish Bears community was a bit of a mess. Being honest here, we were running across 3 different softwares between the embedded chat, running off of YouTube, and using the Zoom software. It gave an experience, but it was not the utmost experience that we wanted to give to you guys. And this is why we sought out a different experience, and Pro Trading fit exactly with what we need for the community. Its immense offerings of the chat room, the alert system, the private chat, and the multiple video share along with joint communication is great for the experience. So you may be asking yourself, well, how do I even get into the Pro Trading Room? Guys, it's real simple. Once you're logged into your account, you're going to see the main page here and you hit Rooms. Hop into whichever room you would prefer, and right there, enter the Bullish Bears Day Trading Room. Clicking on that will bring in your login page. When you first log into the Pro Trading Room here, you're going to see a bunch of different tools. We as admins do have a few more tools than you guys since we are running the back end of everything, but you as traders get a lot of different tools. What are some of those tools? You're able to upload images. You're able to do a few emojis. We ask them specifically and they listen to us. We love the feedback that ProTrader gives us. You have the main chat and the off-topic chat here, and this allows you to both stay focused on what's happening in the market, and the off-topic here is going to allow you to chit-chat among yourselves, tell a few jokes, have a little bit of fun when things get slow. We have the direct alert system here, so we can alert you guys to anything that's happening in the market. Let's say you don't want to talk in the off-topic or the main chat and you want to direct message someone. It's really simple. You just hop right up here to the roster, find their name, click on it right there, and hit private chat. Hitting private chat is going to bring up this little menu, and boom, you're able to private chat amongst any member you need to. Simply hitting that X brings you back to the main page here. And these are just a couple of the tools that Pro Trading Room offers. Another major tool I'd like to point out before we hop off of that is the room drive. The room drive right here is great. We can upload all kinds of different stuff to you guys that you are able to download as many times as you want. So you can see everything here from the SEC filing flowchart, gap studies from SIG, money flows, Twigs flows, all kinds of different stuff. So that's another great feature of the Pro Trading Room. A couple other major features that I'd like to mention are the multiple screens we are able to share. This being here, I can stream and so can any of the other admins. It's really good stuff, and we're able to chit chat back and forth and give you guys the best experience possible. Using the Pro Trading Room, we were able to grow as a community without any headaches. It's going to allow us to expand even further into the future and bring more and more opportunities to everyone in the community and working with the community. If you're curious about a bunch of the other stuff that you can do with Pro Trading Room, you can give us an email at bbteam@bullishbears.com, or even more so, hop over to their website here and contact their customer service. They are really good to work with, really easy to understand, and great people. We primarily use this for the trading room, but if you had networking applications for your business, I'm sure they would be able to work with you and figure something out as far as recordings, webinars, all kinds of different things. So make sure you check them out. We just wanted to do this video to let you guys see what we're experiencing and what else you can expect to see in the future with the Bullish Bears community. Alrighty, guys. Well, this has been Creedmoor with the Bullish Bears, and as always, remember, your trades are in the history. I'll see you around.